microwave coffee's hot. Okay, so it's been a couple weeks since the last video, so we're gonna pick up where we left off, and I'm drinking microwave coffee because I just ran 5 miles and I'm sleepy. But today we're gonna finish the S50 refresh by installing the oil pump nut, installing the baffle oil pan and the oil pickup tube, and then we're gonna prep the car because we are going to send it off to the cage builder, and I think that'll wrap up Packer's car. So before we head off to Packer's garage, we're going to pack up a couple tools for that. I'm gonna finish this coffee, and yeah. Packer.
Hey!
What's up, man?
What's going on, dude?
Got the camera on and right behind you. How we doing? Look, holy shit. Look at this car.
What's going on, man?
Crap.
Yeah, so just trying to tidy things up for the cage builder. Got the entire dash out, airbag system, got the HVAC box, heater core, so you can see the hole in the firewall. We got a block off plate for that we're gonna put some insulation on before we put in. Yeah, this is we're just at a point where we're tidying everything up inside. We're really close for the cage builder. The big challenge tonight is going to be gutting those doors right over there and pulling these pretty Avis blue doors off and preserving them.
Oh man. Oh, and it's on the ground.
It's on the ground.
I forgot how low this car was.
Yeah. And we're
wow.
We've got AC lines off, so we got a lot of stuff missing on that side, and
nice.
we got piles of stuff over there, bin after bin of useless plastic.
Very nice. All right, so here we are back in Packer's garage. I guess we better get to it, and yeah, because race car. We're finally here at the oil pump, and there's the oil pump nut. James, what are we doing to that thing right there?
So this nut right here that holds the gear on the oil pump under racing and hard driving conditions on the track has been known to slowly back off, and when it does and this gear falls off, obviously no more oil gets distributed to the top end of the car, and almost immediately before the driver can react, ruins the motor. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this drilled oil pump nut, and so we're going to put a new pump nut on here, torque it down properly, and there's a little hole in the nut, and we're going to safety wire around the gear so that if this pump nut decides to start backing off, it can only move, or it can't move at all, because the safety wire is going to be on there, so we don't have to worry about it anymore.
All right, let's put that in. Alright, so here we are. We've installed the safety nut and the oil pickup tube. Trivia time. What's wrong with this picture? I forgot to install the windage tray. So I get to take this off again and do that. And thanks, Packer, for pointing that out.
No problem, dude.
It's just practice makes perfect. I think one of the most indispensable tools in the garage is a magnet for when you drop. Oh shit! When you go and drop sockets and shit into your cylinder here, and you gotta fish it out. Oh shit! This is gonna be more challenging than I. There we go. Come on, come on. Oh, nice and slow. We're going socket fishing today, boys. Alright, there you go, guys. Pro tip, get yourself a magnet for when you drop a socket in your engine. Also, install the windage tray before your oil pickup tube. For round 2, we finally did it. We have the windage tray installed, we have the oil pickup tube, and the safety nut installed on the pump. So at this point, we are ready to install the baffled oil pan, and we are done with this S50 refresh for the most part. Is that it?
So.
Boom, we did it. This is the refreshed or freshly refreshed S50. And to recap everything we've done to this point, starting from the top, a rebuilt and upgraded Vanos unit from Elmore Motorsports, an upgraded head from Thayer Motorsports, new head gasket job up top. Let's see, is that it in the top?
I think so. Okay,
so on the bottom we did a custom oil pickup tube from Zach Murphy and a Zach Murphy special baffled oil pan. And not to mention the oil pump safety nut, and we safety wired that, and along with the new pan gasket. So yeah, that's it. The car goes off to the cage builder this coming week.
Next week. Yeah.
Next week, and when that gets back, we'll be putting this into the M3. By the way, I don't think I've done a shout out yet. Shout out to Grease Monkey. They haven't paid me to say any of this, but they did send me a crap ton of these disposable gloves and these gloves. They keep my hands nice and clean. Right now, we got James in the corner over there cleaning his hands.
Should have worn them.
Should have worn those gloves. I'm over here with my Grease Monkey gloves. So thank you, Grease Monkey, for sending these out. Shout out to you guys. But that's it for the video for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching so far. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below, and I'll see you next time.